I've been working on all these songs for a number of years. Some of them are a bit newer, but they're all songs about love and family and some about personal struggle, I suppose. But they've been slowly coming together into first EP. And so this morning I want to play the first four songs off the EP called Morse Code and Semaphore. This one's called This Old Lake. This old lake has seen my bones, and she knows that when I go, I'll be coming back home. All of these hills kept my heart still. Been wandering them for days. They've stopped me from lighting a blaze. And all of these trees are the only ones who watch over me. So why can't I be satisfied with what it is I found? Why must I continue to wander, searching for homeward bound? Is it that I am searching for home in someone like you? Or is it that I'm not okay being alone with someone like me? Someday soon I'll see my bones, and then I'll know I don't have to go. I'll be right here at home. And then I will see all of the light right in front of me. Yeah, I'll watch the stars ignite the water. Oh, I'll find the things that fill my heart up when I see clear. And I will finally be satisfied with what I found. When I go roaming, I'll come running back, running homeward bound. 'Cause I'll be running towards home. I found someone like you. Maybe just standing still, finally okay with someone like me. Early on in my wife and my relationship, when we were just really starting to date, but pretty quickly we realized that if we were going to do this, we were going to try for it for real. So we were thinking that from pretty early, so I wrote this one for her around then. And I ended up playing it at our wedding as well. house a home. No, I can't do it all alone. When I look into your eyes, I can see how we'll make this home survive. Won't you help me roll this stone before I work myself down to the bone? When I look into your eyes, I know I'm stronger with you by my side. So won't you stay with me? Walk this long road until it sets us free. Won't you give me space to breathe? And no, I'm not asking you to leave. See my eyes and take my hand. Know that with freedom I'm a better man. And I will give you room to grow. For what you'll accomplish I can't know. See my eyes and take my hand, and know in your heart that I'm your man. So won't you stay with me? Walk this long road until it sets us free. There'll be bends in it for sure, a hill or two to make us work hard and to test if this is pure. Won't you stay with me? Walk this long road until it sets us free. All right, that tune was called House of Home. The next one is called Undefined. And it's a bit of an interesting tune because it started out as one thing and became another thing. It started out right after my wife and I experienced a miscarriage of our first ever pregnancy in our relationship. And you know, it was kind of an exploration of all of these dreams and hopes and thoughts all bundled up in this one possibility, but you never actually get to see it or experience it. But the interesting thing is I never finished the song in that time. And then when my wife was pregnant again, and we really knew that our daughter was coming, our first daughter who was born. Well, then I finished the song and it took on a whole new meaning for me. All of a sudden, it was all of these hopes and dreams and thoughts that you're just waiting for them to come. And it's that moment right before when you don't know this little being yet, but there's so much anticipation about what it's all going to be. So this one's called Undefined. You remain undefined in my mind, kaleidoscope of fever dream, but never seen, cascading hope and mirrored smoke, so refined and so sublime. One on the map with no borders yet. It's becoming clearer, and it's drawing nearer each day. It's becoming clearer, and haven't seen. Mirage with a pool vision test, not in focus yet. 2020 is not the goal, and I'm working hard to be assured it's alright if it's unclear. Rivers obscured, fog ain't lifted yet. It's becoming clearer, and it's drawing near each day. It's becoming clearer, and it's drawing near each day. All right, this is the last song I'll play for you this morning. It's the fourth song on the EP, Morse Code and Semaphore. It's called "Hold Me Now." It's the most recent song I've written on the record, and it's kind of plays pretty well in with that last song. It's kind of an exploration of people's experiences of depression, especially folks who have, experienced postpartum depression. It's that gulf that you feel when you're in that space and there's others around you. They're there to support you, but there's still this distance, and the words they say are, trying to get you to come out the door, just get moving. Sometimes that's helpful, sometimes it's not, and sometimes all you need is just somebody there in the crud with you, just to hold you. And so I've been there. I've got lots of loved ones who have been in that space before, so it's kind of for any of us who have been there. Yeah, so hold me now. And thanks for listening. Low light and long shadows, and it's cold out. I feel like I've been in for almost a year. I need something to give right now. I don't know how I'll be leaving here. I know you've been trying to get me out. I hear your call from way over there. I think I just need you to sit right down and hold me a while before we walk clear through that door. Don't look back no more. So hold me now, so I won't slip away. Hold me now, so I'll make it through today. Find some other way. put on just the right face to make it past the setting of the sun. And I pray that you might know the right way to carry me on to the breaking of the dawn. Been waiting for something to crack and just giving, but God on a rope is a wavering vision. So I'll take your hand and you lead me on steady. I'll keep my eyes closed, case this heart's just not ready. So hold me now as this light fades purple gray. Hold me now so I won't do the same. Hold me now till the zenith's overhead. Hold me now so I'll make it through this day. Then another day. Then another day. Then another